Hawaii. Lush, tropical, enchanting paradise. Like no place else in the world. No wonder everyone wants to go there. And Delta makes it easy, with low fares and daily flights to Honolulu. Ask about our Hawaiian Fly and Drive and get an Alamo rental car for an entire week for just $55. Delta gets you there with care. Won't you join us?
Kleiner GTI, du siehst prima aus.
To all the cars that try to perform like a Volkswagen GTI, and try to handle like a Volkswagen GTI, and try to be as much fun, we have some bad news. We just made Follow the Leader a little harder to play. Introducing the 16-valve Volkswagen GTI.
I got a feeling for my hometown.
When it's time to sell your home, you want action.
The Century 21 Action Warranty. We don't just tell you what we'll do to sell your home. We put our promises in writing. Century 21, the hometown advantage.
I hate getting ripped off.
Me too.
I went where they said the muffler would be $18. But no, for your car, the muffler will be more.
Shut up, Midas, I said
Midas your muffler because Midas gets it right the first time.
Happy Anniversary 007 will continue in a moment.
1 week from tonight, spend an evening with Diana Ross and special guests, Little Richard, Billy D. Williams, and more. Diana Ross, Red Hot Rhythm and Blues.
They're here. Nissan is the family sedan you don't have to drive, you're glad to drive.
We got the power to make you move. We make you feel like driving. We make you feel like driving.
Sentra, the affordable quality sedan. Stanza, real room and comfort for 5. Maxima, our definition of luxury and performance.
We make you feel like driving, and the name is Nissan.
Wine coolers contribute to 2 teen deaths, the story at 10.
I ain't no fool for fashion. I'll never follow trends. I don't need to live the fancy life, cause I got me a whole lot of friends. And I grew up understanding what it means to take a stand. I pledge my allegiance to the king of beers. I'm a genuine button man. Button bud. Button bud. I'm a button man.
We got an Amana washer and dryer. Honey, it's only laundry.
I know.
We don't mess around, do we? We went right for the top.
We did.
Amana. Didn't we say shop around, read up on it?
We did.
Yeah, compare prices, go for the best value.
We did.
And we got an Amana anyway.
We did.
Didn't we say don't go over our budget?
We didn't.
You see, that's real clean.
When you know exactly what you want, Amana.
One word distinguishes the American Express card from the others. Member. And membership has its privileges.
Now boarding. Flight 126.
I left my prescription medicine at home.
Don't worry. Global Assist can help.
Thank you.
Oh, honey, it's a real find.
Let's go for it.
To apply for membership, call 1-800-THE-CARD. An idea whose time has come and gone has come again. Introducing the Volkswagen Fox. At $56.90, it's German engineering everyone can afford. Again.
Volkswagen celebrates the new Fox with 3.9 APR financing on all other cars, plus factory-to-dealer incentives on all Jettas, Golfs, and 8-valve GTIs. But hurry, at these prices, Volkswagens will go faster than ever.
Sunday.
I'm doing something good.
Nothing would stop her from learning the truth.
What are you doing in there?
They're trying to kill me.
Meryl Streep, Silkwood. A Russian prisoner.
I'm telling you, this guy has played a lot more dangerous games than chess.
Secret past.
Don't forget that these men are criminals.
Next on Mariah.
Paloma Picasso's ritzy jewel creations at 10.
Liza Minnelli and Clint Eastwood join an all-star cast when ABC celebrates 100 years of unforgettable memories.
That's right, we're bad.
Happy birthday, Hollywood, Monday. And Tuesday, the people who make us laugh finally get what they deserve. The American Comedy Awards live Tuesday.
Poke me with a fork, I think I'm done.
ABC makes special again.
UFOs 2020 investigates amazing claims of alien encounters. Thursday.